Are you girl? It's dependent there, yes. Hmm. If there's someone to giving bag LB, I will say them that, oh, uh, I'm not accept that. I accept rice only. Because Philippines is uh, rice. Rice is life, you know? Did you know that, Coyote? It's very different of your place, guys. Only joke lang, inget one to give away. Yes, rice is better. Dolce actually make good product. LV overrated. Dolce? Is that? Is that bag also? Is that other brand? I don't know that Dolce. Uy. D and G. Is that brand? Other brand of the bat? Dolce Gabbana. Ah. Rice is important than the bag, guys. This is my outfit that I'm attending the baptism yesterday. High price bag 8 over 80, sorry. I like how you think. Yes, Tomaso, uy. Because rice is life here in the Philippines. Absolutely. Oo. If you buy rice, guys, there's a lot, your family is going very very happy. If you have a bag only, if you have accept bag, you're the only one who very happy, but your family is no. That's why I prefer to have a rice na lang, so that my family is so happy. Think, we're so very happy. You look very nice. Yeah, Dolce and Gabbana is in a Italian luxury bag. Ah, okay. Complete reef of one bag for 50,000 pesos. America? What? 50,000 bag only? Uy. 50 pesos in America. You have wait. You have a 20 sack of rice, that one? 20 or 15 15 rice sack. I buy a lot of rice and medicine. Oh, how big is your family? Very, very big, Tomaso. Yep, $900 for a bag in USD. Oh my goodness. It's very expensive. But if you are rich, that is not expensive, no? You can buy small land for $3. Oh, that's true. Master Lee. That's true, that's true. What do you like, Ganador, Monkey King, or Princess? Hoy, I like Ganador and Princess Mia, Sir Tomaso. It's very nice to eat ba, the Ganador. It's so, the Princess Mia, it's nice. But, yeah, it's nice. And her smell, it's very good than the Ganador. But the Ganador, it's okay then. Small land in the Philippines. Oh, that's true. That's true, Mr. Lee. It will cost 1,100 for one bag of Dolce and Gabbana. Sana all. Sana all. I will going to tell sana all, but not for me. But it's nice to have a lot of rice, no? I like your dancing a lot. Oh, thank you, Sir Tomaso. Appreciate.